Let's set up Local by Flywheel to create your WordPress site effortlessly. Follow these steps to get started. First, visit localwp.com and download the application for Windows. Run the installer and accept the terms and conditions. Once installed, create a free account to complete the setup process. Now, let's create a new website. Click Create New Site and continue. Enter your site name, choose a local domain, and select a path to save your site. Next, set up your WordPress login. For demonstration purposes, I'm using a simple username and password, along with an email address. Finally, click Add Site and let Local create it for you. Once it's ready, you can visit your site or log in to the WordPress dashboard. After logging in, clear all default posts, pages, and plugins. Don't forget to empty the trash and tidy up the dashboard for a clean start. That's it. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to CeeVee Global for more WordPress tutorials.